How to fix Telegram connecting problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to simply do is drag down the status bar and make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. If not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Next, what you can simply do is tap on the Telegram application and try to log into your account. If this does not work, you can just make a long press on the power button and tap on reboot and try to restart the device, and this might as well fix Telegram connecting problem. If this does not solve the issue back again, you can just scroll down and then tap on the airplane mode and turn on the airplane mode, and after a few seconds you can just toggle off this airplane mode option, and then this might also help you fix Telegram connecting issue. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.